Ready na tayo guys, ang mga lulutuin natin for holiday. Budget kasi wala akong work. Yung mga binili ko lang today guys, yung mga plano ko lang, medyo mayroon akong idea na ihahanda for Christmas. So, plano ko magpansit lang ako. On Christmas Eve, we're gonna go to my sister-in-law, but on Christmas Day, we're not going anywhere. So, plano ko may cook pansit. So, I got me this one. Ito yung lagi kong ginagamit pag nagluluto ako ng pansit. Yan. From Asian market. And I also got me vermicelli. Wala na yung klase na lagi kong binibili. Naubusan sila. So, I got me two. Yan. Bean vermicelli. It said Asian today. This is not, I think it said product of Thailand. So, bumili rin ako ng crispy fry just in case I'm gonna decide to fry some chicken or pork. So, I got the original one, and I got the spicy, and I got the garlic one. So, panghanda lang siya just in case I wanna fry some meat. I also got me some gulaman. This one is the green color, and I got the red color from Nura. Yan, and I also got Sarap Pinoy Gulaman mix in mango flavor. Yan, just in case I wanna make some dessert. So, panghanda lang siya. Bumili rin ako ng tapioca pearls just in case I'm gonna make sagu at gulaman. So, yeah, got me this one. The color is green and they're very, the tiniest tapioca pearl. Yan, small. It said right here, small. Just in case nagagawa ako ng biko, bumili na rin ako ng coconut cream. This one right here. Mamahal na mga bilihin, guys. Itong lata na to, parang almost $4 siya. Can you imagine? $4 for just a can of coconut cream. Just in case, nagagawa ako ng biko kasi may malagkit naman ako dito na natira. I also bought Sweet Cow Sweetened Condensed Creamer in ubi flavor. Plano ko rin gumawa ng pastillas. So, I wanna make a different flavor in pastillas. So, I might use this or use it in something different kind of recipe. So, just in case, I also pick me this one. This one is also not cheap. I think $3 something. Plano ko rin gumawa ng fruit salad or macaroni salad. So, I pick me up nata de coco. This one is in green color. And I have it also in red. Yan. Meron din tayong kaong na green color. And then meron din akong dalawang white color, the regular one, nata de coco. Yan. Nata de coco is one of my favorite sangkap sa fruit salad. So, yeah. These are very tiny bottle. And hindi siya cheap. Sobrang mahal niya. Parang sa tiny siya, parang 200 pesos to guys. 200, 250. Yung isang ganitong bote, ang liit. Yan o. And gusto, as I said, bala ko gumawa ng pastillas. So, I might use this to make a different color, a different flavor pastillas. So, I got the mango one. And I also got the ubi flavor. And I also have the pandan flavor. I didn't see if they have the buko pandan, but this is my first time actually trying this. Feeling ko lang magluto-luto kasi nasa bahay lang ako, wala naman akong trabaho. I plan to make a lot of research. I'm trying to make bread these days. Nothing worked out yet. My bread never rise. So, yeah. I'm gonna give this a try. Let's see if we can make a different flavor pastillas. So, yan lang guys. Yan lang. I also bought some junk food pero di ko na yan ipapakita kasi these are not for holidays. So, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you next time. God bless you guys.